Nandito na tayo sa Gross Mountain. Yan, cable. Diyan tayo pababa po, no? Yan, sasakyan natin pababa pero packet naglalakad. Itong ating kasama. Yan. Mainit ang ulo ni Kari. Ay ganito, oh. Dapat magdala tayo sa susunod. Picture po tayo. First step. Yan na. Pwede bang ano? Mukhang ano nga to?
Walang katapusan yan.
Walang katapusan na ganito. Kari, nakalimutan ko, balik tayo. Ilan na yung step? Hinihingal na ako eh.
Simula eh.
Oo, sa simula talaga.
Katapos.
Lalong kung kagigising mo lang.
Tapos iiyak ka na.
Dito tayo ngayon sa Gross Mountain.
The girls grind.
Gross grind. Exercise to, no?
Mamaya wala nang mga puno dyan.
Oo.
Parang arayat lang.
Oo. Nakakapagod din pala to. Wala pa kami sa kalahati. Taas na namin. Oh. Hinahanap ko yung shortcut eh.
Mapapatahimik ka dito, Kari.
Mawawala yung daldal, no? Yeah. Yeah. Wala pa siguro tayo sa kalahati. Hindi na ako nagdadaldal eh. Pagod na eh. Hawak na tayo. Pagod na tayo. Nasa 30 minutes na siguro tayong nag-step dito. Ay, nakakatahimik ng bunga kapag pagod. Diba? Daming step nito. Hindi na tayo galing, oh. Squirrel. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati yata. May nadaan na kanina nakalagay 14 by 40. Ibig sabihin 14 by 40 edi nasa 26 pa ba? sakit na sa binti. Pero di pwedeng hindi ituloy. Wala naman sasakyan dito pababa. Pahinga na lang. Ito. Mahigit na tayo sa yan o. 22:40. Ibig sabihin magpas na tayo. Oh, halfway. Hello. Oh, nasa kalahati na tayo. Merong ano dito, pang check ng puso ata yan eh. Yan o, lifeline. Hihinga na tayo. Nawala na yung daldal natin. Huwag na tayo. Oh. Ay, taas pa. Ano na tayo? 25 of 40. Ano? Lapit na. 15 na lang. Ay. Delikado to. Ganito pala yung pinagdadaanan ng mga hikers. Siguro mas mahirap pa dito. Dito may daan eh. Taas. Pahinga man tayo konti. Oh, malayo pa. Oh, 28 na yan. 28. Taas na natin. Wala na si Gary siguro. Paiwan muna siya. Nagpahinga din eh. Pagod na ako eh. Ay, malapit na. Malapit na. Alas 10 na lang. Dito palang ginagawa ng mga ano. Mahirap pala to. Nanggaling si ate. Maganda siguro dun. Magic. Oh. Every steps counted. Sino kasama ko? Mababa yun. Malapit na. Malapit na. Para lang may ma-vlog tayo. Kaya dapat manood kayo mga kabalin. Mahirap tong ginawa ko. Pero mo, parang tigil na step. Ayun, malapit na yun yung cable car. Yung gondola ba yun? Malapit na, konti na lang. Tara na, tapusin na natin. Ang mahirap dito, wala kang madadaan na CR. Yung CR dun sa baba, yung susunod na CR siguro sa taas. Kaya dapat bago kayo umakyat, CR na kayo. Kasi yung susunod na CR, mabagal kayong maglakad after isang oras. Yung CR nyo madadaanan. Pagod din pala to. First time kong ginawa to dito. Yeah. Ano ba to? Kaya dito ang pag-step ko hindi diretso dito para di ba? Huwag dire-diretso dun sa taas mismo. Kasi ang haba ang taas eh. Dito muna ganyan. Galing ko magturo. Dito di ba? Uy, mahulog. Kakahingal na. Oh, 31 na yun, oh. 31. Oh. Hey, 9 na lang. Lapit na. Buti na lang may hawakan dito. Ano kaya ginawa to, no? Oh, 3/4 na. Oh. Konti na lang. Tuloy. Pero kung mayroon ka talagang train dito, training, sandali lang to. Kung baguhan ka, siyempre mahirap. Yung iba nga tumatakbo pa eh. Pwede na ako makatakbo, di na ako makapag-step na maayos. Tayo. Yung mga tubig. Konti lang. Konti lang pag umiinom tayo, konti lang. mabasa lang yung ating labi. Mabasa lang ang ating lalamunan kasi hindi pwedeng maraming tubig, mabubusog. Konti na lang. Konti. Yeah. Lapit na tayo. Tayo susuko. Si Waway. Ito, nasa ano tayo? Nasa nasan ba? Nasa 33. Konti na lang. Yun. Konti na lang. 33. Bali 7 na lang. 7 na lang. Yeah. Ipupunta dito. Tapos energetic dapat. May tubig kang dala. May dala akong Skyflex. Pero mamaya ako nakainin. Ang importante, papunta natin yung sa atas. Makakita tayong kubeta. Taas na nito. Ito 5 na lang. Okay. Almost. Kita nyo ba ito? Isa na lang. Nawala pagod natin Nakita natin yung 39. Nabawasan yung pagod natin. Parang ngayon na natin kuminto kasi malapit na. Sinanay matanda na. Kaya pa niya. Konti-konti na lang. Malapit na tayo. Dito tayo. Okay. Mahirap pala ito. Lolo. Mahirap. Okay. Okay. Yan na. Okay. Ay, pag nandito ka na, wala rin pagod. Diba? Anong oras? Oh. 9:02 Sabado. Yun. Ito pala yun. Yun. Pag uwi tayo, pababa, sakay na tayo dyan. $20 lang daw, sabi ni Karen. Yan. Diba? Ang hanapin natin ngayon ay kubeta. CR naman ang hanapin natin. Okay. Ito pala yun. Ito. Pero CR muna tayo. Mamaya tayo mag video. May ano pala sa loob. Ito. Okay. CR muna tayo.
Well, that was good. We can get those there. Yeah, and
Tambay muna tayo dito. Kare, makit yung tiyan ko eh.
Tayo, Kariel. Mag-wash yung...
Ano tayo dito? Nasiya si Kare.
the paper parking is like, oh, you can wait.
Parking lang siguro to. Paano nakakakit yung sasakyan dito, no? Sa kaya dumadaan? Ito pala yun.
Yeah, you brought it on.
Muna tayo, magmerienda muna tayo sa loob.
Yun doon, ah. Wala na, Kariel.
Tinanggal na po?
Oo, ito na. Bago na nga.
Oo. Pero iganti yung ano dito,
Dati,
tignan mo,
akit
no?
ka pa dyan, di ba? Pila.
Iganti yung step, oh, no? Yung sino kaya ito, no?
Yan dyan, ah.
Hmm.
Dala kayo mga tao dito, ah.
Buti dito, at least kahit na nasa taas ng butok may wifi. Ay, may data, no?
Dito.
Pero ikot muna po tayo dito.
Kaya dito.
Sayang yung vlog natin eh.
Lakad tayo dyan.
Mga ilang oras po kaya natin nilakad yun? Meron bang isang kalate?
Gusto nyo nang kumain ngayon?
Mamaya po, masakit nga tiyan ko. Doon lang tayo sa baba kumain.
Parang pagod pa yung tiyan ko kasi.
Oh. Nanibago yung tuhod ko. Mahina yung pa ako dyan eh. Sa ganyan, pa
lakas
ganyan.
na nga eh.
Hindi pa ako.
Yung huli, yung ano ko eh, umaano na eh, muna papaganon.
Yung sa pagod, medyo ano pa, pero yung tuhod, mahina ako sa tuhod, sa paa. Sarado naman dito. Dito po kaya? Sarado. Hindi, may dito.
Bike ka pababa, ano, watak-watak yung bike.
Oo nga no.
Ano kami dito eh, snowshoeing.
Tulad nito, ano po to? Yelo to? Ah, yelo po yan? Oh, di pa natunaw no?
Ano pa yan, July pa yan.
No? Baka hindi na abutin ng tunaw to. O, mga kabalan, yung gusto ng asukal, libre dito. So, asin. Oh. Libre tikim, oh, snow.
Maalat eh.
Mahalat. Pinagawa yan sa ice cream. Okay.
Nakit nga yung mga bata dito.
Umakit na po sila dito. Eh mga bata, masunog eh. Ay, ito pala yun.
Yan, chairlift tawag yan.
Oh, chairlift. Yan lang, nakaupo ka lang tapos lalagay mo lang yung bakal, harang na yan.
Ganun lang,
Oo.
ganun.
Pero mataas na to, kare, pag nasa dyan ka sa taas, di ba?
Ay, makalula din.
Oo,
yan. Kasi
nakita mo
nauga
ganyan.
eh.
Mataas na yan.
Mga ganyan. Sa winter, mag-skiing naman tayo, Kariel.
Ano po yan?
Para sa...
Skiing? Oh, sige.
Para sa vlogging.
Oo. Kaya lang, ano po yun, sa kaya tayo makakarating dun pag gano'n.
Kaso mga idadaling kayo nun sa taas.
Oo.
Tapos mag-skiing ka pababa.
Oo.
Tapos ulitin mo na naman yun. Ganun lang ang skiing eh.
Meron mga grizzly bear dito. Yung,
Uy,
ano?
grizzly oh. Yung grizzly pala dyan.
Dito na lang tayo, kare, baka may bear. Takot ako sa bear.
Natin. Daming sukal tsaka asin oh.
Hindi natin mapakiusapan yung bear. Hindi natin masabi.
Dito pwede din tayo dito.
Hindi na matutunaw yan yung snow sigurong ito. Ewan ko lang, hindi po ba kare. Pakaabuti na ng snow ulit to.
Doon siguro sa taas. Hindi yung ano dito, itim eh, no?
Oo.
Yung bato.
Bato.
Diba?
Taas.
Oh yeah?
Ito nung galing sa baba. Ano na po yan?
Downtown.
Downtown.
Stanley.
Ah, sa atin. Ayun oh. Yung, yun.
Eric is also there. Eric is like, you're too nice to your friends, maybe? I wouldn't care about my friends. Go all out. Yeah.
Yung nandun sa dulo po doon.
Show the love.
Ito.
Ayan, downtown.
Di pa na ako nakarating ng Stanley Park.
Ayan, yung malaking green yun.
Ah, yan. Tapos dagat yung ano na.
May Zwick bike naman sa Stanley. Sumurahin na to. Para hindi tayo nagmamadali.
Oo. Sakay tayo ng
Gondola.
gondola. Bumili tayo ng ticket. $25.
Wala, taga.
Sakay na tayo sa gondola.
is this thing for?
I have to put this on the base of the gondola.
Oh.
Yeah.
For a sign, right?
Secret
What's
mission.
this for?
This is for little kids. So we have kids on tours up here, so
Oh, that sounds good.
so the kids get all excited.
I mean, this is pretty exciting. For adults too.
If I put them on high, it would just all come apart. Uh-oh.
Kataas.
Oh wow.
What's happening?
Edges are really, really high. We're really high.
Oh, this is nothing. Yeah, there's always something that's higher.
Oh, that's
There's always something. And
this is the peak of Vancouver.
this was just finished December. It took 2 years to build this.
Oh yeah,
And-
did they decommission the other?
So the other one, so yeah, those are the towers from the original one, with 1966, and it was a small little. It held 45 people. So this replaced that 1966 tram. So that tram they used for to bring up food and so forth.
Oh yeah.
You could bring humans up in it too. So this thing goes down in 5.5 minutes roughly, and it can do 1,000. So this thing keeps running, but the red tram has a schedule.
I see.
So it'll come up, but it'll stop. But this
Yes.
thing can keep going.
Oh yeah, there's like your chairlift.
This is the advantage of a gondola. It can just keep running.
Isn't there like another service towers?
No, there
Oh.
is a. So there's a road up the back of the mountain. Some of the hikers will take the road. Some mountain bikers. The road was built in 1926. It's on that side of the mountain.
Okay.
And the other one is so the chairlift takes you to the top of the mountain. You can-
Okay.
So if any other way, you'd have to hike up here. There are many
I
trails.
took BCMC, I think, on the backside,
Oh,
so then you
that's-
don't have to take.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there are literally, so people have been up here since the 1800s.
It's a third.
So this place is covered with trails. There's trails over here, which they're all over the place if you know the area. So the grind, we built the grind in the early 1980s. There were two men and I, he had volunteers. We helped Don and Phil build the grouse grind. We helped them put in the railway ties
Oh, really?
in the early 1980s. Then in the 1990s, the District of North Vancouver, they redid the trail. So actually the trail originally, Scandinavians had built cabins up here. Scandinavians climbed and they built cabins up here. That grouse grind was just a trail to haul up food and haul up wood.
Wow.
Oh,
Those
I know
people.
that.
So any trail that's here, somebody used it,
To
and it
bring
wasn't for
something up.
exercise. Somewhere in history, you got to know your history. So there must have been something up here to build a trail. People build cabins up here. Yeah.
So like all of the wood on the stairs that you guys revamped this year or last year, I think, is that like people
Di tayo
move it up
makapagsalita.
like one by one?
So when we put the railway ties in the early 1980s, it was about 1981, 82. Yeah, there were a stack of railway ties at the bottom, just one at a time.
Even like when you guys do renovations on the stairway.
So the guys who are doing the renovations now, there's still a lot of manual. You're not going to get a machine in there and lift up the railway ties. No, it's too steep. So there's still a lot of physical work.
Yeah.
But nothing compared to what the original people did.
Yeah.
Starting out.
So the BCMC was an old trail,
Yeah.
and it was the British Columbia Mountaineering Club. There were students from
Oh.
UBC, and they had a cabin over there. I
wow.
forget where the foundation is. So you would get the university people.
Yeah.
Had a climbing club. They came over here and they went up their own little trail. Yeah.
Oh.
All the
Yeah.
trails have history behind them.
So the cabins are like for skiers.
The cabins are long gone. So do you know where the cut is? The ski hill up
Yeah.
there? So there were cabins on the cut. And they were basically only useful in the summer and the fall
Oh.
because they were too drafty. But they weren't all. Some people stayed up in the winter and they had the stoves in there, but most people we got out. And we used the wood up there. We used the hemlock trees to build the cabins. Yeah. Yeah, my grandparents, we had a cabin up here. We would hunt deer in the summer.
Oh, there was deer earlier lying on the
Yeah.
rocks.
So the animals are going to use this trail in the summer. You're going to see cougars, bears, and everything going up here.
Really?
Why not?
Yeah.
Because there's nothing.
There's
why
nothing
go
here.
through-
Yeah.
It's
why?
clear.
So the animals will. Yeah, people are going to freak it, or else they won't notice it.
Yeah.
But you're going to see things this summer, which is good. But you usually won't see the cougars, because cats are sneaky and secretive. The cougars will still stay in the bush.
I kind of freaked out though last time I was back of Squamish and there was cougars in the winter though.
Yeah.
And then
There's cougars in the city in the winter.
Yeah.
There's cougars in Vancouver
Yeah.
and Victoria in the winter.
Yeah.
They operate all year long.
Yeah.
They don't have to hibernate. No. So they're always
Wow.
dangerous, and they so Simon Fraser University will have one cougar per summer. Cougar will visit the campus. Yeah. So what happens is people are over there walking their cat and dog. They're clueless. They don't know what to do, and they don't know how to react, and they shouldn't be there. And that's where the trouble is. The cougars can kill. They can kill. Yeah.
Small.
Yeah, because there was a trail of blood, like just on the opening of like ice, and I was like,
Oh,
oh
scary,
gosh.
We have no idea.
Something got snatched here.
I was like, I better run fast.
Carnivores are really, and they go for the neck. You should you see any, go on YouTube and you can see
Yeah.
what a wolf does to the neck of a bear. You can see what the bear does to the wolf of the moose. It's violent. We just have no concept anymore. We have people with guns and they shoot somebody. Big deal, but to watch. So I think one of the most scariest things there was, it was a lion. It was a male, and he was older. And when you're old, you're not going to last long. And then a pack of hyenas.
No.
And the hyenas, they jumped on the back of the lion, just took chunks out of him,
No.
and just weakened him more. He lost
They
more
didn't go
blood.
for the
No.
quick tail.
Because they're smart. Why go near the jaws of the lion? A hyena is basically like a
Nice.
wolf, and they just pulled chunks out of him,
Oh,
and the
that's
thing slowly bled. No, it's pretty ruthless what goes on, and But anyway, that's nature.
Yeah. The cougars are huge.
Well, the head is big, but it's not as if they weigh over 400 pounds. The average cougar is 300. You're going to see the ribs, you're going to see the tail, but the head is massive. They're not a heavy animal. Cats are usually pretty lean because they're always moving, but they're not huge animals. But the head is so big. I'll go first. Oh, there's the bus with all my people. Here's my people. There are my people.
Have a good day. Thanks for the story.
Scary
Have a
animal.
good day.
Did you get a mic?
Good day. Thank you. Oh.
You're missing this.
Saan po tayo? Dito, wala ako dito.
Thank you. Ganyan pagka hindi ka bumaba.
Kung imagine mo, yan ang inakyat namin, no? Taas.
Wala, sisiw. Nung umaakit.
Nung wala pa sa...
Hindi nang hingin.
Naghahanap na ng ano yan. Kung mayroong pahingahan, ano.
Ano bang ginagawa ko? Sa kumpra naman. Tapos ngayon, wala, sisiw.
Hindi namin makita yung sasakyan namin kasi pag daw tumagal ka ng 1 oras sa walking, kukunin nila yung sasakyan. 2 oras kami.
Penalty sa sakyan.
Penalty sasakyan.
Ano ko yung ito? Ano yung noodle? Ay, sauce. Ano yung gusto nito?
Yolanda gusto niya. Kare kayo dito? Busin natin kare. Kami yan. Tayo. Tapos yung pamunta, tapos inipasa mo na mainit.
Hindi, dito kayo nag-iyak.
Ha? Kasi kung kali, mabubusok eh.
Ano ba yung gusto niyo noodles ka?
Oo.
Ayaw niyo ito noodles.
Pwede rin. Kakain na tayo, tapos na tayong kumain. Tulog naman. Pagod eh, pinagod yung sarili eh. Papa. Tsaka yung parking eh. Edmonds. Salamat Kare. Nilibre tayo ni Kare. Nabusog talaga ako. Kaya di ko na naubos yung sabaw. Sarap. Tendons pa, tendon.